Unraveling Idioms. A heads up, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we're diving into the meaning behind the common phrase, a heads up. It's a phrase you'll hear in everyday conversations, so understanding it is key to mastering English nuances. A heads up is an idiomatic expression used to inform someone about something in advance, so they are not surprised. The phrase originates from a literal action, lifting your head to be more aware of your surroundings. It has evolved to signify giving someone advance notice or a warning. You can use this phrase in various contexts. In professional settings, to alert colleagues about an upcoming meeting or change. Among friends, to give a precaution about potential traffic on a route. When planning events, to inform guests of any essential details they need to know beforehand. Let's see how a heads up works in sentences. I just wanted to give you a heads up that I'll be arriving 10 minutes late. Thanks for the heads up about the road closure. I took a different route. That's all for a heads up. Remember, it's all about courtesy and preparation. I hope this explanation helps you feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.